Your first step is to visit the ArcCI server website, the link for which will be provided to you during the ArcCI workshop. After you visit the website, please click on the blue Sign Up Now button and then enter your preferred username, your .edu email address, as well as your password twice, and then click on the blue Submit button. Next, check your email inbox for email verification message from the ArcCI server, and then click on the blue Verify Email button, which will redirect you back to the ArcCI login page. If you do not see this email, please check your spam folder. And if you do find it in your spam folder, please remove it from your spam folder first, or else the blue Verify Email link may not appear. Now that you have created your ArcCI account, you may log in using your username and your password, and then click on the blue Sign In button. Once you have successfully logged into the ArcCI server website, you may manage your profile by first clicking on the arrow button at the top right-hand corner of the website. By selecting Profile Management, you'll be able to edit your profile details. The ArcCI server also supports multiple user levels. When you first sign up for our account, you will be a general user, but by getting access to higher user levels, you'll gain access to more file uploads, the ability to upload larger files, as well as the ability to have more ongoing file processes at a single time.